What is U-Haul app? So moving made easier. So let's just get it. And yeah, this app, as you can see, is in top charts in travel in US. Um, get an instant quote, start or modify your reservation, track your orders, and so much. So this app is just to manage U-Haul rentals. Sign in with your custom profile to skip the counter and reserve in minutes. Get an instant quote, manage your order, and review your rental history. Use the live chat or mail us for 24/7 support. Uh, and you can just open it up. And then yeah, that's basically how you can reserve trucks, trailers, towing, U-box containers, moving suppliers, self-storage, moving help, trail hitches, and all of that. So then yeah, if you just wanna reserve trucks, for example, you just tap on that and then just proceed with instructions. For some reason it's not loading. Maybe it's only loads while you are based in US. But anyhow, there is a support tab in the bottom right. Then there are tools. Then you can just add see U-Haul locations in your area. But yeah, this is just like a very convenient way to sign in and just or set up profile, and then yeah, just add all these reservations easily. And if you create your account, you will just skip the line. You will able to edit your reservation, manage storage accounts, and make payments, store information to speed up rentals. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. So yeah, I hope that is helpful.